When it comes to home improvements, many St. James homeowners focus on kitchens, bathrooms, or flooring. However, one upgrade that delivers immediate and lasting benefits is professional door replacement. A door isn't just an entryway, it impacts your home's security, energy efficiency, appearance, and even property value. If you're considering replacing your doors, here are the top benefits you should know. Enhanced home security. The safety of your family and belongings starts at the front door. Old or poorly installed doors can weaken over time, making your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Professional door replacement ensures your new door is installed with precision and equipped with modern security features such as reinforced frames, advanced locks, and impact-resistant materials. For St. James homeowners, this peace of mind is invaluable. Improved energy efficiency. Drafty doors are one of the main culprits behind high energy bills. When air seeps through gaps or worn-out seals, your heating and cooling systems work harder, driving up costs. Professional door replacement provides a tight, weather-resistant seal and often includes energy-efficient materials like insulated steel, fiberglass, or wood composites. With a properly installed energy-efficient door, you'll enjoy lower utility bills and a more comfortable home year-round. Boosted curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things visitors notice about your home. A faded, warped, or outdated door can diminish your property's curb appeal. A professional replacement gives you the opportunity to choose from a wide variety of stylish designs, finishes, and colors that complement your home's architecture. Whether you prefer a traditional wooden door or a sleek modern option, the right upgrade can dramatically enhance your home's appearance and make a strong first impression. Increased home value. Investing in professional door replacement isn't just about aesthetics and comfort, it's also a smart financial decision. Real estate experts consistently list door replacement as one of the top home improvements for return on investment. In St. James, where buyers look for homes that are both attractive and energy efficient, a new door can give you an edge in the housing market. Better functionality and comfort. Over time, doors may sag, stick, or become difficult to open and close. These issues don't just create inconvenience, they can also compromise safety and efficiency. Professional installation ensures your new door operates smoothly, closes securely, and provides optimal insulation. Plus, modern replacement doors often include features like noise reduction, which is especially helpful if your home is near a busy street or community hub. Low-maintenance options. Older wooden doors often require frequent painting, staining, or repairs to maintain their look and durability. With professional door replacement, you can choose low-maintenance materials like fiberglass or steel that resist warping, cracking, and rotting. These options save time and money in upkeep, allowing you to enjoy long-lasting beauty without the hassle. Expert installation. For lasting results. Even the best quality door won't perform well if it isn't installed correctly. Professional installers bring the expertise needed to ensure precise fitting, weatherproofing, and secure locking mechanisms. They also remove the old door, handle adjustments to the frame if necessary, and leave your entryway looking flawless. For St. James homeowners, this level of craftsmanship translates to long-lasting results and fewer issues down the road. Final thoughts. A professional door replacement offers more than just a new look, it provides security, efficiency, comfort, and value. For homeowners in St. James, investing in this upgrade means enhancing your property in ways that pay off immediately and for years to come. Whether your priority is protecting your family, lowering energy bills, or giving your home a fresh new face, replacing your door with the help of professionals is a decision you won't regret.